Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today I have made Pedha. It's a famous Indian dessert sweet. Um, it's often served, during the festivities, holidays, or the birthdays, or just enjoy the sweet. I would like to share the recipe with you. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start making the pedhas. So for that, I'm first going to melt 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, or like 1 stick of butter. To it, I'm going to add 10 ounce of sugar. And on very low heat, we have to mix this. You have to mix it well. And to this, I'm going to add about 15 ounce of ricotta cheese. So about 420 grams of ricotta cheese. So I'm going to add this over here. You can use 15 or 16 ounce cans, no problem. And then you have to mix this together and mix it really well, and all on low heat. So this has now mixed well. So we make sure that there are no lumps form into this. And to it now I'm going to add 2.5 cup of milk powder. I'll first mix, and then I will increase the heat. So because we have to stir it on a high heat. So after stirring for about 15 minutes on high heat, um, and when the mixture thickens a little and changes the color, it's time to add 1/4 cup of almond powder. Mix it well, lower the heat, and then add 4 tablespoons of warm milk mixed with a pinch of saffron. Bring this all together, blend it well. And finally add 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg powder and cardamom powder to it. Turn off the heat and mix well. Now we will allow it this mixture to cool down a bit, and then we will shape them into pedas. So now I'm going to shape the pedas. I have some saffron strands over here, and this is pistachios, like crushed pistachios. So it's now, warm, but not completely cooled down. So you can shape the pedas whatever size you would like. Roll them into like a round ball, and then what I do, I just take like this like old pen but clean one, like the top of the pen. I just make like a small dent over here, and then press some pistachios, garnish. It's optional. It's just ready this way also, and just couple of strands. Look, so beautiful, isn't it? So I'll just leave it over here. Let's do. Here. So I'm going to complete shaping all the pedas, and then we'll check out.